Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to add a shortcut to OneDrive in 2025. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves organizing files, this quick guide will save you time and streamline your workflow. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage solution, and adding shortcuts makes accessing your files from anywhere a breeze. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of OneDrive installed on your device. If you're on Windows, open the OneDrive app from your system tray. For Mac or mobile users, launch the app from your Applications folder or home screen. Once you're in, sign in with your Microsoft account to get started. Step 1. Navigate to the folder where you want to add the shortcut. This could be a shared folder or one of your personal directories. Right-click on the folder and look for the Add Shortcut to My Files option in the context menu. If you don't see it, double-check that you're using OneDrive version 2025 or later, which includes enhanced shortcut features. Step 2. Select Add Shortcut to My Files. This will prompt a confirmation dialog. Hit Add to create the shortcut. You'll see it appear in your OneDrive home screen under the My Files section. For web users, go to onedrive.live.com, log in, find the folder, and click the three-dot menu next to it. Then choose Add Shortcut to OneDrive. A quick tip: if you're dealing with large files, ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions. Also, remember that shortcuts don't take up extra space, they just link to the original files. If you run into any issues, head over to Microsoft's support page for troubleshooting. There you have it. Adding a shortcut to OneDrive is that simple and will make your digital life easier. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.